So students, now we start exercise 4th lesson. A circular coil of wire consisting of 100 tons. So number of tons is equal to 100. Then radius of the coil is equal to 8.0 centimeter. We convert it to centimeter into meter. Number of tons. What is the current? .40 ampere. What is the magnitude of magnetic field? B at the center. So B is what? So we have B equal to mu 0 Ni upon 2R. We substitute all this value. So it is 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 multiplied by number of turns 100 multiplied by the electric current, that is 0.4, divided by 2 into radius, that is the 8 into 10 raised to minus 2. So you can simplify this and you will get 3.14 into 10 raised to minus 4 Tesla. Okay, so this is the magnetic field at the center. Next one, a long straight wire carries a current 0.35. So current is equal to 35 ampere. What is the magnitude of the field at 0.20 centimeter from the wire? So here distance is equal to 20 centimeter, we convert into meter, so it is 0.2 meter. So this is the wire and it is a long, so we use the formula for the long wire and magnetic field at 0.20 centimeter. Let us say this is the point and this is 20 centimeter. Current is here. So we have one formula. Do you remember what is the magnetic field at a distance d? So B equal to mu 0 I upon 2 pi d. If it is short one, then mu 0 I upon 4 pi r sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2. Yes. આપણે બીજા બી યાદ કરતા રહેવાના જેથી કરીને તમારી ફોર્મ્યુલાઓ લર્ન થતી જાય. 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7, current is 35 divided by 2 pi into d, that is 0.2 meter. So this 2 pi is cancelled over here. So we get this is 0.2, this cancel here, so it becomes 10. Okay, so this is minus 6, so 3.5 into 10 raised to minus 5. Generally data are always provided such so that you can do simple calculation. Generally calculator ની જરૂર ન પડે એવા ડેટા આપવામાં આવે છે અને જો બી જરૂર પડે તો એની એક એવા આપ્યા હોય મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન કે એક નોન ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ તમને આવ્યું હોય પાઈ 2 પાઈ 3 પાઈ, તો almost you can consider as a 10 like that. Now next one, a long straight wire in the horizontal plane carries a current 50 ampere. So current is equal to 50 ampere in north to south direction. Give the magnitude and direction of B at a point 2.5 meter east of the wire. So you are finding magnetic field at distance 2.5 meter. Now here direction is mentioned, so we have to much careful about the direction. So this is the long wire. What is the direction? South, north to south. So I try to draw. This is three-dimensionally I am trying to draw for better understanding. So this is our current wire. This side is north, this side is south, this side is east, and this side is west. Okay, you can take this as a x-axis, this is z-axis, and this is perpendicular is y-axis. So to try to understand. Okay, here the magnitude and direction of B at point 2.5 meter east of the wire. So from east side is here, so somewhere here. Current direction is north to south, so this is the direction of electric current. Okay, so you are finding magnetic field at this point, and this is your point D. So we can calculate magnitude very easily, but to see the direction you have to do the figure. So using right hand thumb rule, you hold the conductor, so thumb is here. Okay, this is thumb direction, so you have to turn your finger like this. So this finger is coming out, so here direction is upward. So direction is upward. Upward means toward the sky. Toward the sky. Upward direction માં આવશે. Give the magnitude and direction of B at east of the wire. So you have to hold the conductor, and current is north to south. So this is the direction. So now we calculate magnitude. So B is equal to, we have B equal to mu 0 I upon 2 pi D. So mu 0 is 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 multiplied by the current, that is 50 ampere, divided by 2 pi into D is 2.5. So again this will cancel out, so you get the 2. This is cancel out, 5 2 ja, and this is still 0 is there, yes. So you get around 40 into 10 raised to minus 7, so 4 into 10 raised to minus 6 Tesla. Okay, again I explain, you hold this conductor, so thumb is here, and when you hold this, you have to hold like this, so finger is coming out this side. तो आ बाजू क्या से ऊपर तरफ, आ बाजू क्या से नीचे तरफ. Okay, if it is asked for west side, then it is downward, toward east side it is upward. So B will be in upward direction. Okay, so this is your answer. Then next, so once again we have problem, that is a horizontal overhead power line carries a current 90 ampere in east to west direction. So this is your wire, this side is east, this side is west. What is the magnitude and direction of the magnetic field due to the current 1.5 meter below the line? So at this point is I take 1.5 meter below it. Okay, so direction is east to west, east to west. So you can find the magnitude. First I write the data. So current is 90 ampere and distance is 1.5 meter. So again, same formula what we used in last problem. So we have B equal to mu 0 I upon 2 pi d for long conductor. So mu 0 is 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 into current, that is the 90 ampere, divided by 2 pi and distance is 1.5 meter. So this is 2 pi is cancelled over here. So this is 15. So 15 by 10, so 906. 15 6, so 16 to 2. So it becomes 120 into 10 raised to minus 7. Sorry. 120 into 10 raised to minus 7. So this is 1.2 into 10 raised to minus 5 Tesla. This is the magnitude at this point. Now we find the direction. So if you put your thumb in this direction, okay, this is the thumb direction, then if you hold the conductor, so finger is here coming and this coming out from this side. તો અહીંયાથી બહાર આવતું તમને દેખાય ફિંગર. બહાર આવતા એટલે તમે વિચાર કરો ઈસ્ટ વેસ્ટમાં તમારી પેરલ તમારી થમ છે ઈસ્ટ વેસ્ટને અને ફિંગર તમારી સાઈડમાં આવતી હોય તો એનો અર્થ એવો થયો કે એ કઈ બાજુ જતી છે સાઉથ સાઈડમાં. તો this is south side. હવે આને બીજી રીતે બી હું લાસ્ટ પ્રોબ્લેમમાં જેમ સમજાવ્યું તેમ સમજાવવા ટ્રાય કરું. So this is actually the plane, okay, in which there is a this wire is there, and this side is north, this side is south, and this upward is sky and this is the earth. So અહીંયા થોડું આપણે I draw here again. I draw again. સમજવું બહુ જરૂરી છે કે this is your cable, okay, and this is east side, this is the west side, and here is your north and here is the south, and if I do this normal, then this is below point, okay, this is below. I can take this x, I can take this y, and I can take this z. Now you can see here, this is the point below. અહીંયાનું point મારે લેવાનો છે નીચેની સાઈડમાં. તો આવી રીતે કરંટ આ બાજુ જાય છે તો હું સ્ક્રૂને મારે થમ આ બાજુ રાખવાનું, તો ફિંગર મારા આ રીતે વળો છે. આમ સમજમાં આવ્યું? આવી રીતે. તો આ નીચેનું પોઈન્ટ છે, તો નીચેના પોઈન્ટમાં એરો બહાર આવે છે. એરો બહાર એટલે કઈ બાજુ આવે છે? સાઉથ સાઈડની અંદર. હા, બરાબર સમજો. આ એરો કઈ બાજુ ફિંગરનો? ધીસ ઇઝ નોટ ઇન ધીસ પ્લેન. એ કયા આ જે સર્કલને ડ્રો કર્યું કયા પ્લેનમાં ડ્રો કર્યું છે? YZ પ્લેનમાં ડ્રો કર્યું છે. કયા પ્લેનમાં? YZ પ્લેનમાં. સો ઇફ આઈ ડ્રો ધીસ સર્કલ ઇન YZ પ્લેન અને બહાર અહીંથી આવતો હોય તો એરો કઈ ડાયરેક્શન કઈ બતાવશે? સાઉથ બતાવશે. અહીંયા આવત તો કઈ બતાવે? ઉપરનું પોઈન્ટ હોય તો નોર્થ આવત. આ પોઈન્ટ હોય તો ક્યાં આવત? ડાઉન આવત. અને આ પોઈન્ટ હોય તો ક્યાં આવે? અપ આવે. તો એ તો અહીંયા આગળ ડાઉન પોઈન્ટ આપ્યું છે એટલે સાઉથ આવ્યું. અપ પોઈન્ટ આપ્યું હોય તો નોર્થ આવત. નોર્થ સાઈડનું પોઈન્ટ આપ્યું હોય તો ડાઉન આવત અને સાઉથ સાઈડનું પોઈન્ટ આપ્યું હોય તો અપ આવે. ઓકે, સો હિયર so direction of B at P will be in south direction. जो करंट डायरेक्शन उल्टाई नाखिए तो उल्टू उल्टाई जाए. करंट डायरेक्शन उल्टावू तो साउथ ની જગ્યાએ નોર્થ થઈ જશે. ઓકે, then go for next. What is the magnitude of the magnetic force per unit length on a wire carrying a current 8 ampere and making an angle 30 degree with a direction of uniform magnetic field? So here we have this is the current. I is equal to 8 ampere, angle theta is equal to 30 degree, magnetic field is 0.15 Tesla, and this is the magnetic field. Okay, so you are finding what is the force per unit length. So making an angle 30 degree with the direction of uniform magnetic field. So force on conductor F is equal to ILB sine theta. So you have given I is equal to 8, L, we want to find force per length. So I divide force length of both the sides. So I get F upon L into B is 0.15 sorry, and sine 30 degree. So this is 8.15 into half. So if you simplify it, then you will get 0.6 Newton per meter, because question is force per unit length. So this is your answer. Okay, so this is your fifth question. Then sixth one, a 3 centimeter wire carrying a conductor 10 ampere is placed inside a solenoid perpendicular to its axis. The magnetic field inside the solenoid is given by this one. Then what is the magnetic force on this wire? So this is, I try to draw the figure. So this is the solenoid. Okay, this is your solenoid, and this is the magnetic field of the solenoid. So this is the magnetic field, and it is uniform, as we know it is uniform magnetic field. And this is the axis of the solenoid. This is the axis of the solenoid. So the magnetic field inside the solenoid is given. So here 3 centimeter long wire. So 3 centimeter I convert into meter because we use SI system. Then current is 10 ampere. Okay, is placed inside a solenoid perpendicular to its axis. So perpendicular somewhere here. Suppose from here to here, you can write it. I used different color. So this is the wire which is placed and is passing through the axis. So this is the, and it carries the current I. Okay, and magnetic field is 0.27 Tesla. Then what is the magnetic force on the wire? So magnetic force, we have magnetic force on wire F is equal to ILB sine theta. So I is, you have given 10, length you have given 3 into 10 raised to minus 2. We are finding force on this wire. This is your axis, and angle is 90 degree, as you can see, because this is perpendicular to the axis. So magnetic field is parallel to the axis. Magnetic field is parallel to the axis. Okay, and wire is perpendicular to the axis. So naturally this angle between B and I is 90 degree. So this is sine 90. Okay, so this becomes 3 into 10 raised to minus 1, or you can say 30 Newton per meter. Oh, I'm sorry, this B is still there. B is still there. I forgot to write this. Multiply by 0.27. So multiply by 0.27. Okay. So 27 3s are 81. 0.81. So 8.1 into 10 raised to minus 2 Newton per meter. See, I was getting the answer if I am not multiplying this, then I am getting 30. So 3 Newton per meter, and it is very large value. એટલે મને કંઈ મિસ્ટેક થઈ છે. So this is the force on this conductor. Okay.